How to make INR deposits on Axe Finance. By searching www.axafinance.in, launch the official website of Axe Finance. Log in into your registered Axe Finance account by providing the username and password. On the homepage, click on Make a New Investment option under the Earnings section. Under the Make Your Investment option, choose your plan that is monthly or yearly. Enter your investment amount in Indian rupees (INR). In below section, choose your currency Indian rupees and click on Deposit option. Once you confirm the transaction details on the screen, initiate the payment. Once your payment is successful, note down your deposit details. Click on the transaction ID in below to check your progress. Under the pending bank deposits details, provide your deposit details and click on Update. Now in the home page, you can find your investment under your portfolio. For more information, visit Axe Finance official website.